Hello, priceless people. And in today's video, it's a Sprayway grill and oven cleaner product review. To all of my loyal subbies, welcome back. And one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for stopping by week after week to check out my videos. Now, would you take a look at this? This oven definitely has been neglected and needs to be cleaned. Although my oven is self-cleaning, the hours that it takes to clean do not outweigh the fumes for just 20 to 30 minutes. I currently use Sprayway glass cleaner and Sprayway all-purpose cleaner. So while perusing through Home Goods, I came across their oven cleaner. So now let's see if it lives up to the hype. So I'm going in with some sprays of my Dawn Power Wash to remove any leftover residue and, of course, any of the strong scent from the Sprayway oven cleaner. If you're new here, welcome. And since you're here, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video on today. So this first rack has been cleaned once. And this second rack, well, hasn't been cleaned yet. After both racks have been thoroughly cleaned once, now I'm going to soak them in vinegar and baking soda. My review of the Sprayway grill and oven cleaner. It did exactly what it said it would do. The fumes were strong, oh yes, but I give it a resounding 5 stars, and I will use it again. My oven was so clean, I had to cook the next day. So if you missed my cast iron steak recipe, you have to watch it as soon as this video is concluded. Make sure to follow me on social media. On Twitter at Pastor J, the AKA. And on Facebook, Priceless Pearl Life. And don't forget about Instagram, simply Katrina Johnson. This has been another Priceless Pearl Life video. Make sure to join me on Tuesdays and Friday, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And as always, remember, stay safe, stay blessed, and you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.